to Jar Boys! Today we are going to grow potatoes. You can learn too by watching us how we do it.
Yeah, let's go.
This is a potato we bought from the shop. As you can see, it's growing a little bit. And if you want a new potato, we're going to cut the skin.
Yeah, and this is your skin. Let's click that.
Potato is the easiest plant to grow. You just need to cut the skin and plant it carefully and let it grow.
Yeah,
We are now going to show you how to plant the potatoes.
Get the one in there.
Yes. The next potato. We have lots of potatoes.
This. So you put one in there.
Let's put one here.
Put the potato. This will be all good. So now we can put the mud now.
We have to bury the roots in the mud so the potatoes can grow.
Yeah, let's do the potatoes.
This is healthy mud. This mud will help the potatoes grow.
Yeah, so let's do that. If we
Remember
go,
the potatoes. Now that we've planted the potato, in 3 months they'll be very big and we can take them out. Potatoes are now 1.5 months old. They're almost ready to be taken out and eaten. Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, so
It's a little
got to order up our potato.
There are other potatoes we have been growing.
Okay, this is one of the potatoes.
It's a very big one.
This is the other potato. It's grown months and months. But it's growing now, so tomorrow we can eat tomorrow.
It's 1.5 months old and we have to wait for another 1 month before they're ready to take out and eat. You can see the potatoes are growing.
Yeah, these are potatoes. And they're both already. So they're working and they grow already. So tomorrow, if you eat it, it'll be yummy, yummy. Not now, because eat it now. If you eat it now, it'll be no more potato. Bigger, so you can just eat them too.
The leaves turn yellow. We can take the potatoes out and eat them. Now let's put the mud back so the potato can grow.
Yeah, I don't want mud, baby girl. Now we're going to how to do potatoes. And we're going to the other potato.
This is our biggest potato. We planted at the same time, but somehow it got bigger. We must have given it more food. This is an easy way to do it. First, you take the skin off the potato. Next, you plant it. You water it and give it sun, and it will grow. But remember, you should put your potato somewhere safe. You don't want the yucky snails and slugs to go nom nom nom.